All right, we're rolling. Finally got it going.
Yeah, didn't have to pull it out of the bed either.
Guess this wasn't needed.
Runs really good. I have a stuck injector, but it's running really good.
Stuck injector, huh?
Yeah, new motor, but it's sitting since 2004 without being started or assembled. It's all right.
So there's smoke.
Okay. Boy, if I steal cars, you'd call me Smokey the Bandit.
No kidding.
Oh, there's the boot. Is it moving?
It's rolling that way.
Is it backing up?
I don't know, but it's moved.
Whoops. Okay. Alright, that's wrong mount.
Yeah, it's loosening.
Alright, trying to put the bed back in the locker. There we go. Now it's locked. I'm gonna grab that lunch cable.
That's what you're messing with. Sucks about. Good grief. Loose it?
Not at all.
Here, hold these. All right, Hank, turn this camera off.
Okay.